Hi, I'm the little prince. I came back to Earth and tried to see and discover everywhere. I am in Tehran now. I am the little prince of Persia. Let's go. This is Tehran's big waterfall, but due to the water shortage crisis in Iran, you don't see a drop of water in this fountain and it has become a waterless mountain park. Why do adults only see their present day? Why do they owe so much to everyone? Do they really think about how their children will live without water when they grow up? Where do birds find water? How should plants and many poor animals, who cannot even walk like worms, quench their thirst? How selfish are these great people?